Okay.
Okay.
So I said this is cubic equation because the greatest power of x is 3, 6x cubed, or negative 6x cubed. So the question, if he's saying test the equation for symmetry with respect to x-axis. How can we have an equation has symmetry with respect to x-axis? This is x-axis. If we have something has symmetry with the x-axis, something like this, for example. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This has symmetry means if this is like mirror, this point is the same distance from x-axis as this point, and each point above x-axis has mirror point or image point on the other side of
That's
x-axis.
what symmetry means.
Not this equation, but this is
Oh,
the meaning of symmetry of x-axis. It could be something like this. It could be something like this. Okay.
okay.
This is symmetry with respect to x-axis. With respect to x-axis. What about y-axis? And y-axis, this is y-axis. So if we have a parabola like this, if the vertex is here, so this is symmetry with respect to y-axis. Okay.
Okay.
It could be something like this. For example, it could be something like this.
Yeah. As long like the points
Hmm.
kind of like match the
Yes.
same distance.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have a question here. Is the equation symmetric with respect to x-axis? Choose the correct answer, yes or no.
So what formula do we use?
We can make a table and draw, or you can know the parent function. No parent function of each shape, the parent function of each, like this parent function of this is y equals x cubed, and its shape is something like this. This is the parent function. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This is not the parent function. This is different, but it will be something near to this. It could be something like this, and so on. This is negative, so negative will go down. It will go down like this. Okay. So either way, it is not symmetric with respect to x-axis. If this is x-axis, it cannot be symmetry with respect to x-axis, correct?
Yeah.
What about
Yeah, because
y-axis? Yes.
because it's negative, so it's going down.
Not because if it is symmetric, I need for this branch like something like it here.
Okay. Okay.
This would be symmetry to x-axis, and this one I need something here. So this
Yeah.
would be symmetry. But if it is something comes from above and go down like this cannot be symmetry with the x-axis and cannot be symmetry with y-axis either. Not symmetry for with respect, not symmetric with respect to not x-axis nor y-axis. Okay.
But
What about
so can I ask you?
the
So
origin? What? Yes.
um, so I think for the origin, it's like you showed me. It's going in the origin
Yes.
through.
It
It's
could be symmetric with if it is parent function, it will be
yeah.
symmetric with the origin. This function we need to make a table and see if it is how it is going. Okay, x, y, or if it is symmetric to x-axis, this means that f of x is equal to negative f of x. Okay, f of x equals to negative, 1 minute,
Yeah,
f
no
of
problem.
x. If it is symmetric to x-axis, this means that, yes, this y is equal to negative y. This means what? Like, 1 minute. Let's say this is x-axis, correct?
Uh-huh.
If something is symmetric to x-axis, if this point is at, let's say, 1, 5, the image point should be at 1 and negative 5, correct?
Yes.
So what happens here? Y is now negative y, okay?
Yes.
So we call what we call this?
Horizontal.
Not horizontal. This I need to make it like y and negative y has same x. Okay.
Okay.
So this x here, and here has the same y, but this cannot happen here in this equation. This equation, if we solve for x, we cannot get um, two positive and negative y, like y equals negative 6x cubed plus 3x power 7. If we need to solve for x, we cannot get positive and negative y.
Okay.
So this is not symmetric for x-axis. What about symmetry to y-axis? This is y-axis. This point, let's say 2, 3. The image point will be at negative 2 and 3, correct?
Uh-huh.
So f of x is equal to f of negative x. This is the test for symmetry to y-axis. So we need to test to make this test. It is said test. This is the test. So f of x equals
Oh,
y equals negative 6x cubed plus 3x power 7. What about the second one, f of negative x? We just
minus.
substitute 6x will be negative x cubed and 3 negative x power 7. Okay? Ah, this is greatest power is 7. I was seeing this too, power of t 2. It is 7, not 2.
Yeah, it's 7.
Because of this, I said that it's cubic. It is not cubic now. This is not cubic function.
Okay.
This is for equation. Okay.
I was wondering, I thought maybe it's one of these rules in math.
This is odd function. Odd function means it is symmetry with respect to origin.
Okay.
Symmetric with origin. Okay, without calculations, because the power 3 is odd power,
Uh-huh.
and x power 7 is odd power 2.
So no calculation. So it will not be symmetric with x. It will not be symmetric with y,
Why?
but it will be symmetric with the origin.
Yes, it is. This is odd function. Odd.
Perfect. Use substitution to determine whether the given ordered pairs are solution of the given equation.
This means what? This is x and this is y. If we substitute x and y, we get if we get -5, this is a solution. If we don't get -5, this is not a solution, this point. Okay?
So how did
X squared, we have -x squared plus y squared equals -5, correct? X
yeah.
is -3. You substitute -3 here. Plus y is 2. So this is y 2 equals -5. Now we calculate this.
So we're trying. So I didn't understand the question. Use substitution to determine whether the given ordered our solution.
This is ordered.
Given ordered our solution to the given equation.
Yes. We substitute means we put inside x -3, and then instead of y, we substitute 2.
So how would we know? Okay, let's continue.
2 squared is 4, correct?
Correct. 4
And
minus
-3 squared is?
plus 4.
What?
So this is minus still, correct?
Yes, but this part is -3 squared. -3 squared is?
9.
9, positive 9. And we have negative, so it is -9. Correct?
Minus 9. Yeah, correct.
What is -9 plus 4?
Minus 5, minus 5.
Minus 5, so it is correct. It's satisfy the equation, or it is yes, a solution for this equation, to the given equation. Now the second one.
The same thing. So if x, so minus 2 squared plus.
We have minus and -2 squared plus 3 squared. This is what?
Okay, so first minus 4. No, yeah, minus 4.
This is 4 and -4 plus.
So plus 9.
And this is equal to what?
So it's also equal to 5.
5. 5 is not equal to -5.
No.
So it is not a solution. Stop. Wait. I'm taking a screenshot. Okay, you can change.
Graph the equation y equal minus 2x squared. So
We make a table. Yes. What?
So is it like we did yesterday? We start with x. If x equal to 0, then y would be something.
Yes. We substitute -2, -1, 0, and 1 and 2. So this is, yes, -2 times x is what?
Squared. So
it is -2. Correct?
Okay.
-2 squared, this is equal to what?
So this one is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, minus 8.
Yes.
Okay, and here. So this is 1.
Yes.
Minus 2.
Yes.
So this one is 0. Minus 0.
No, 0. Yes.
0. Yeah. So minus 1 minus 2. And 4. Minus 8.
Correct.
So we are graphing. You said we start from 0, correct?
Vertex. The vertex, yes.
So this is 0. And then we go.
Let's say 1, -2.
1, -2. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
-2.
What? Something incorrect. Something incorrect. Wait.
Yeah.
You need to select this because it is problem.
Oh, okay.
Power 2 is problem.
So this is 0, 0, and then we
Yes.
need 1
Mm-hmm.
and minus.
No. Mm.
So it's gonna need, so if I do this over here, we're gonna need 1 more point and 2
Did you
minus.
select this? Yes, it works.
So
So
2.
the other point, let's put it, the other point is -1, -2.
Okay.
Go to the left. Mm-hmm. To the left.
This is
Mm-hmm.
1.
To the left. -1.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Negative. This is -1
And -2.
and negative.
Is this correct? Is this 0, 0? And 1, -2, and -1?
So this is 0, 0. This is 1 minus 2, and
Mm-hmm.
this is -2 minus 3. This one.
No,
No, this one is wrong.
we need -1. Go to the right a little bit. Mm-hmm. To the right again. -1.
This is
-2.
-1 minus 2. Okay.
Yes. And I think yes.
Yeah. Because here I
Mm,
see these are the coordinates: -1, -2.
we can write the coordinate already. This is good point.
This is 0,
And
0,
0, good point.
2
And
minus 2.
2 minus 2, no, 2 minus 2 is not correct, I think.
Is it 2
It is
minus 1?
1, -2.
Oh,
This
it's
should
1.
be 1 and -2. You can delete this point or go to the right.
1, -2 here.
Yes, that's correct.
All right, this is yours. All right. This one, I got it. I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So this one, the same like the other one. Let's do it. So let's say x is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the equation is y -2.
So -2, absolute value -3.
All right.
-2, absolute value -2. -2, absolute value -1. -2, absolute value 0, correct?
So when there is absolute, do we make multiplication?
Absolute
Or
value means it is the positive value of the number.
yes. And what do we do? Like, do we do 2 times
-2 is
3?
multiplied by absolute value. What is absolute value of -3?
3.
So -2 times 3 is what?
-2 times 6.
-6.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
-2 times 6 is -12.
Sorry, that's my
Yes.
theory. Okay. Next one is it's -4.
Yes.
So this one -4, this one -2, this one is 0, -2, -4, and -6.
Correct. Draw these
Right.
points.
So we will do. So when we do plotting, we use this one, the 3.1.
No, this one. The V1.
So when we do,
Absolute
so this
value.
one, absolute value, we do the vertex, this one.
The V shape, yes. We call this V shape. It could be something like this or this.
Yes. So we need -1 and -2.
Did you put 0, 0?
Yeah, 0, 0,
Uh-huh.
and -1, -2.
That's it. This is the graph.
I want to see 6. 1 second. 6, it said graph the equation.
Would you go back, please, to the
Yeah.
same? Okay, you can go now to 6.
Yeah, so this one, it tells us graph the equation by plotting these points, and then we are looking for this. For this one, we just, also did 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we
Yes,
did this
usually
graph.
we draw it using 3 points, vertex,
Yeah.
and 1 point before vertex and 1 point after vertex.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay.
And the vertex here is 0
Yes.
because we don't have x squared plus, let's say, 5x or -4 or something.
Yeah.
So it is just x squared or negative 2x squared. So the vertex always is at 0.
Yeah. All right.
Mhm.
Okay, let's see. Now find the slope.
Mhm.
Okay, you would think that I would be great with this, but I'm trying. I memorized the equation at least.
Yes,
Find the slope of the line passing through the pair of points, or state the slope is undefined.
yes,
Then indicate whether the line through the point rises, falls, is horizontal or vertical. But the
yes,
first, we're gonna say the slope equal rise over run.
yes,
And then the second equation we will have is the slope, no, y equal mx plus b, which is the y-intercept.
we didn't calculate the m now.
We have to calculate the m, is that
Yes,
right?
yes.
So should I use this one?
No,
Or
y2 minus y1 or
y?
x2 minus x1, which is what?
All right, so what, 8
Yes.
minus 5 over
Mhm.
10 minus 2.
Yes, it is. 8 minus 5
So
is?
it is 3 over 8.
Yes. What is the slope? The slope is 3 over 8. Simplify your answer.
So this,
You
when
can
is
use
the
this.
slope?
Yes,
Oh,
what?
okay. When you told me that yesterday, when is the slope unidentified?
Unidentified when it is vertical line.
Okay.
When it is vertical line.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, and do we indicate whether the line to the points rises,
Falls,
falls?
horizontal or vertical. So the slope here, 3 over 8 is what? Rises if the slope is positive number. Falls if the slope is negative number. Okay.
Yeah.
Horizontal if the slope is equal to 0. Vertical if the slope is undefined. Undefined, which is vertical.
Yes.
Undefined means any number divided by 0. This is undefined. Okay.
Mhm.
So this number 3
But
over 8 is positive or negative or 0 or what?
I think it's
It
positive.
is positive, so it rises.
So the line rises from left to the right, correct? Because
Yes,
it's
as we
3
go
and
to the
then
right, we go up. Like as we go to the right 8, we go up 3. So the slope is rise 3
And
Overrun
run 8.
8. So this is the slope. The line is going like this,
Perfect.
increasing or rising.
Awesome. All right, let's see. Find an equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passed through the point 0.03 and has a slope 5. Also sketch the graph of line by locating the second point with the rise and run method. Write the equation of. So
Yes.
in this one, we will use the equation of y equal mxb plus b. Find an equation in the slope. Should we use this equation? Slope 5. Then use these to find the y-intercept.
So the equation is what?
Y equal mx plus b.
And m is?
M is the slope and b is the y.
And what is m? Can you find m?
Didn't they give us m here?
Yes, m is
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, m is 5.
So it is 5x plus b. Now, can you calculate how to calculate for b? Calculate b, how to find b?
Yeah, so we can substitute x and y.
Yes, x is 0 and y is 3, correct?
3, yeah.
So
Okay,
we put 3 equals 5 multiplies 0 plus b. What is 5 multiplies 0? B is 3. So the equation is what? Y equals what?
So y equal 5x plus 3.
Yes, this is correct.
Okay. So y equal 5x plus. So use the graphing tool to graph the line. Use the given point. So use the given point, correct? So this one?
Use the graphing tool. So use the graphing tool. So press on this graphing tool and select line, this one.
Yeah.
Now we start at this point. Always we start at B, y-intercept. Okay. So put point at y-intercept of 3. Y-axis of 3. Yes. Correct. Did you put a point here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And the other point has a slope of 5. 5 means you go
5
right 1 and up 5 units. From this point, you just go to the right one and up 5 units and put a point, the second point. From this point, you go to the right one and up 5.
Where did we go 1?
From here, 1 is here and 5 is here. I think this is.
Yeah, this is
3 plus 5 is 8. So it should be something here.
So the okay, so the y intercepted at 3.
Yes.
Correct?
This is a point. Now
So
from this point, go to the right only 1 unit and 5 up.
So here it will be.
It will be 1 8.
Yeah.
That's it. This is the line.
This is 0 3.
Yeah. Yes,
this
and the other one is 1 8.
1 8. Where did we get 1 8 from?
From the slope. Slope is 5, correct?
Yeah.
Slope is 5 means from 3, this 0 3 point, we go to the right one and up 5 units because the slope is 5. So the line will be something like this, correct? So add 1 to x, this point will be 1, and add 3 to y, add 5 to y, which is 5 plus 3 is 8. So this point should be 1 8, this point. check this point if it is 1, 8.
Yeah, this one.
Is it 1, 8?
Oh,
No,
this
we
is
need
1,
1,
9.
1, 8. Did you correct the line?
Yeah, it's correct now. So this is
No,
no,
not
this
2, 8. 1, 8.
that why is it doing that? Okay. 1, 3. So or okay, I'm sorry. This is 0, 3 here. 0, 3 and 1, 8. Okay, I'm
This
not
is
gonna
correct,
put.
yes.
So what did you so first I know how the slope, like you go up, we went up 5,
Yes.
which is,
If you want, you
but
can make a table. If you want, you can make a table like any other, like equation. xy, x is 0, and so it is 5 times 0 plus 3, and calculate this. And x is 1. 5 multiply 1 plus 3. What is 5 times 0 plus 3?
3.
Yes, and what is 5 times 1 plus 3?
15.
No, 5 times 1 is 5
5
plus
plus
3,
3, 8.
8. So this
Okay.
point is 1, 8 like we did, and this point is 0,
Oh,
0, 3.
okay. So we just substituted. We didn't do anything. We just did some
Yes, you
substitution.
can make a table,
Oh,
or it is easier
okay.
doing 3, the y-intercept, and the slope 5. You go to the right
Yeah.
one and up 5.
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
Yes, excellent.
I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So use the given coordinates to find an equation in slope-intercept form of the line. If the line is vertical, write it in the form of x equal h. So
Yes.
this is passing through -10 and 0, 1. Okay, so we're going to use pretty much the same equation, y2 minus y1. Is that correct?
Yes.
So y2 is 10 minus 0 over 2. No, over 0 minus 10. So this
Yes.
is over 10 over 10. So the slope is 1.
So y equals what?
Y equal mx. So y equal x, yeah, mx plus b. So it is, so we're gonna substitute the number, which so we should use one of
No,
them.
this number. This is m.
Oh yeah, this is 1x.
1x, we don't write 1x, we write it like
Yeah, we write
x
just x plus
plus.
b.
Now we need to find b.
Yes. So should we use one of these points?
Yes, but usually when b is at y-intercept, correct?
Yeah.
And we know that y-intercept occurs at x equal to 0, correct?
Yeah.
If we have a point like this, x is equal to 0, this means that y is just b, correct?
Oh yeah. So y,
This is
so
x
b
equal
is
to
10.
0, so this 10 is y-intercept.
Yeah.
So 10 is equal to b. So it is y equals, the equation is y equals what?
Y equal to x plus 10.
That's it. This is the equation. Slope-intercept form. Ah.
Find an equation of the vertical lines through 8 minus 8 equation.
Yes.
So So is it the same equation that we were using?
No, vertical line is something passes through the point and like this, like y-axis. Correct? This point is 8, -8. So this is 8x and -8y. This is the point, correct?
Yes.
So this vertical line, its equation is what? What do you think?
Is it unidentified?
The slope is undefined, yes. But we don't need the slope. He is asking about the equation of the line. Course slope is undefined.
He's asking for the equation.
X
So it's
equals what?
x equal 8,
X equal 8.
y
That's it.
equal minus.
We don't need y. X is equal
Oh,
to 8. Yes. Okay.
so that's the equation?
Yes. The equation. You remember he said x is equal to h. This is x is equal to 8. This is the equation. Yes.
That's tricky. How do you know that?
It is always x equals to 8. This is 8. This point is 8, and y is -8. So this is the point, correct?
Yes.
And he said it is vertical line. So vertical line always has a x of 8, correct?
Yeah.
Any point on this line, it has x of 8, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 3, 8, 0, and so on, 8, -8. So this
Oh,
the equation is always x is equal to 8. Whatever y is 1,000, 1,000,000, 0, -10. The equation doesn't y does not matter.
okay.
It is just x is equal to 8. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Find the equation of the line with the given slope and intercept. So if the slope is 0, y-intercept is -3. So we can put our equation.
Find the equation of the line with the given slope. What do you think?
So should we use the y equal mx plus b,
Yes. And
then y equal 0 or y equal to -3?
yes, correct. Y is equal to -3. This is a horizontal line. This is x-axis. So -1, -2, and -3. And this is the line. This is y is equal to -3. And this
Okay.
x-axis is y is equal to 0. Do you know? This is y-axis. This is x-axis. And this x-axis, its equation is y equal to 0. And this y-axis, its equation is x is equal to 0. So this line is y is equal to -3.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, write an equation in slope-intercept form of the line satisfying the given condition. The line passes through -5, 8 and is perpendicular to the line whose equation is x equal to 4.
1 minute, I need to write something.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
So
Write an
I have a
equation.
question.
Yes.
So this x equal to 4 perpendicular to the line whose equation is x equal to 4.
This is what line? X equal to 4. This is line what?
This is this one.
1,
Like
2,
4.
3, 4. This is x is equal to 4. So the line is going like
Perpendicular.
this.
Yeah.
This is a vertical line. This is the line that x is equal to 4. What is the perpendicular for this line?
This one.
No, perpendicular is something like this. This is perpendicular. Any horizontal line. We said before that vertical line
90.
and horizontal line are vertical to each other. Okay. So x is equal to 4, a vertical line, and the perpendicular line is a horizontal line. Horizontal line has a slope of what?
Minus.
No, the slope is
Negative.
0.
Oh, the slope is 0.
The
That's
vertical
right.
line has slope of undefined slope.
The vertical.
The vertical, yes. But our line, the perpendicular line for this is a horizontal line and has a slope of 0, correct?
Yes.
So has a slope of 0 and passes through this point.
Minus,
negative.
yeah.
So the equation is
M minus 5 or
y is equal to 0, x plus b, correct? We said the slope is 0, correct?
Okay.
Horizontal line, the horizontal line. We speak about horizontal line.
Yes, yes.
This is
So
not
we
our line.
Okay. So whenever it's perpendicular or horizontal, the slope is 0.
No, whenever it is horizontal, yes, the slope is 0. But perpendicular line, we need to know it is perpendicular to what? In our case here, in this problem, it is perpendicular to vertical line. So what is perpendicular to vertical line? A horizontal line. Horizontal line has slope of what? 0. So it is y equal to 0x plus b. And now the point is negative 5, 8. So y is equal to what?
B.
B? Huh?
Yeah,
B.
I said
And B is equal to what? What
B
number?
is Y. Is it on? Oh, so we're placing 8.
8. It is equal to 8. The equation is y is equal to 8. So let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's say this is 8, so the line is here. And the point is negative 5, 8. Let's say negative 5 and 8 is here. So this equation, the line is y is equal to 8. Okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
They're kind of like easy if you like kind of like know what's coming and like memorizing this.
Yes, you need to know, like, yes, what the rules and what.
Yeah. I did do that by myself. Can you
Mhm.
just check it for me, please?
Yes, the slope is yes, the slope is correct. So for this one, you can solve it using two ways to solve it. Slope is equal to negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. If you remember this, negative coefficient of x is negative this number, which is negative 3, divided coefficient of y, which is negative 5. So negative divided negative is positive, and it is 3 over 5. This is one way to solve it. The other way to solve this is isolate y. So we have 3x minus 5y plus 15 equal to 0. Negative 5y, we can move negative 5y to the other side. It will be positive 5y equals 3x plus 15. Okay? Now we divide both sides by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. So y is equal to 3 over 5, x plus 3. And this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. Okay? This is the second way.
The y-intercept is correct, and the x
Y-intercept is 3. Yes.
and the x-intercept.
X-intercept occurs at y equal to 0, correct? Do you
Yeah.
remember this? So
Yeah,
3x
yeah, we're substituting.
minus 5 times y times 0
Yeah.
plus 15 is equal to 0. This is 0. So 3x plus 15 equal to 0. Move this to the other side. 3x equals negative 15 divided 3 divided 3.
Yes.
X is equal to -5. Correct?
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
All right, so we're done here.
No,
So
yes.
should I submit? Should I submit?
Yes, submit. Bismillah.
Yes,
Ah.
we can take it as much as I want. Okay,
Oh,
this.
what
Okay,
is
let's
this?
see what.
It is something like this. Half point.
Yeah, the half point. Let me see. Oh, use
The
the graph.
graphing. I didn't see the graph. So y-intercept, you should put a point here, 3, and you go up 3 and to the right 5. You go up 3 and to the right 5. This, the score
Okay.
is 70 and 97. I didn't check this. We didn't.
I know. I didn't see it either. I did not see it.
mm.
Even though
So
I was so
what is
excited.
missing here? Do you see something here? What is your mistake here?
It's just we forgot to. Oh, my mistake here. So let me look.
Is
So
this point 3? I think this is 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
And this is, we need to go 3 up and to the right 5.
1, 2, 3, 7. Okay.
3, 4, 5, and up to 7. This is good, I think. I think it is good. What is missing?
I don't
Scroll
know.
down. Use the graphing tool to graph the line. Maybe you didn't graph at all.
I did graph it. I answered this. They put us they give us the right answer. And
This
I
is 2.
graphed
I
it.
think this is 2. This is not 3. Or not. This is what?
Yeah.
It is very small.
This is, I know, 1. This is 2, actually.
So we need to make
It
it
was
3.
supposed to be 3. See, it's very hard to see. I already have glasses on and I don't see. But anyway, that's good for now. Because every time you do it, you will get new answers, new questions.
Okay.
So maybe, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna close it. I'm not gonna do any more math for today. I have to do other classes.
Yes.
But what I'm gonna do next Friday, I have a test. So maybe together we can redo the quiz.
Yes.
And then I have other stuff that I have to study for 2 more weeks. So let me see what I can finish from my other classes, and then I have to study week 3 and 4 here. So maybe Sunday or Monday.
Okay, you can book whatever whenever you.
Yeah, I have to finish these 2. All right. Well, I appreciate you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll send the payment now.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Of course. Thank you.
Okay.
Question. How do you send me the recorded session, or is it with me?
I'll send you a YouTube link.
Awesome. Beautiful.
But this will take some time because I have a session after you now. And after this, I'll upload it and send the link for you.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay.
Have a good night. Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.